Hi everyone and welcome back to the Brick Pods. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a review of set 41426, the Heartlake City Park Cafe. And you might notice that it's not just my minifigure here in front of us, it's also Leah's minifigure. And so this is going to be a joint review with me and Leah. So we're going to build the set together and I'll let her tell you what she thinks of the set. And then I'll do a sort of a summary of any points that she might have missed or ones that I think are important that she doesn't care about. So to start, I'll tell you this set is $17.99 in the UK. It's still available to buy at lego.com. So if you do like the look of it after our review, you can go into the description below and follow our affiliate links to purchase it yourself. And that really helps out the channel. There's 224 pieces in the set and 2 mini dolls, and I know that Leah is super excited to get building, so let's have a quick look in the box and then get building.
Is there finger tabs?
Yeah, finger tabs. You talk about them. What we got in here? There's some stickers.
There's lots of people. What about this one? Should we open this one first?
What do you reckon, Leah? If you look at it, what numbers are it?
Number 1.
What numbers on this one?
2.
So should we go with number 1 first? That makes sense. Okay.
Makes sense.
Okay, so we've got the waffle shop here, Leah, or waffle cafe I think it is. Which is your favourite part? Where's that skateboard going?
I like the skateboard and the helmet, and I like the people.
Okay, what do you like best about this one? So you said you like the skateboard, you like the people. What about the waffle shop itself?
And I like this little sign. It can stand up like that bit. And I've got one in this my beauty.
Sleeping Beauty, you've got a squirrel.
I've got a squirrel, but it has a bow in its tail. And I like the little bits, and I like the doors.
They're pretty doors, aren't they?
Opening and shutting, and I like that this can move open and shut.
Is there anything you don't like? Anything annoying about the set? While we were building it, did something keep falling out?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you show people what falls out? You show them why it keeps falling out. Yeah, look. It's not attached, is it?
No. Oh, it's a plate.
And it just kept falling out while we were building it.
I broke a little bit, and so like that. Where did it go?
That'll do. Yeah, it doesn't matter because it's Lego, isn't it? You can put it where you want. I like the stripes. Did it fall out again? That stupid plate. Always falling out. It's a nice one, this one. Was it a fun build?
Yeah.
Was it tricky or not too tricky?
Very tricky, but also nice.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Would you say people should buy it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you, Leah. This is a really nice set. The colours are nice. Really bright colours. Good contrast between the light pink and the dark pink. And then the nice yellow colour as well. I love the sort of striping here. There's a lot of flowers, so the detail on the doors and up on the roof as well. The flowers on the doors do get in the way somewhat on closing the doors. And also it is really tricky to close these doors, especially for small hands, I would say. I struggle a little bit, so let's just close them up. They seem to get caught on these tiles at the bottom. That didn't look tricky at all, did it? But it's the opening actually. Look, I can't open that back up very easily, so that's the bit. It's on opening that's tricky. You've got lots of stickers, nice stickers here to make sort of window boxes on the door. I think that's a printed piece. Oh no, it's not a sticker. I put all the stickers on so you think I'd remember, but I don't. The sort of cafe piece, stickers on the cushions, and on the little open door, open sign. You've got your two mini dolls, Stephanie and Mia here. Stephanie's dressed up as the baker, or I guess maybe the assistant here. I don't know if they bake everything freshly. It's a waffle shop pretty much, isn't it? So probably. And then Mia, I assume, is coming to buy some with her money. She's come on her skateboard and she's got the little helmet. Quite a lot of cute printed tiles in here as well. You've got all the little strawberry pieces. And the waffles themselves down here, those are printed as well. And little waffle irons, quite nice. Nice accessories. And these little heart waffles as well that you can see there. There's that annoying plate again. You've got stickers on those to sort of give little wooden bits to the windows. I'm not really sure what the point of that is. But it was an easy enough build for my 4-year-old to put together with a little bit of help. And it's quite playable. She's enjoyed playing with that for sure. So I think the plan for this is to put it into our fairground. The fairground that we go to in Spain definitely sells waffles. And I remember Ian asking to get waffles one time after he'd already had candy floss and all the other stuff. He sort of looked at me and said, "Can we get waffles?" So it's a good memory for me from one of our first holidays together. I'm definitely wanting to include a waffle shop in our fairground, kind of as a reminder of that. I'm not sure whether Leah will be too pleased, the fact that I'm trying to steal her Lego. But to be fair, it's not her Lego, it's mine. I think she knew when I said she could build it that it wasn't really going to go into her collection, it was going into mine. So let me know what you think of this one. Also let me know what you think of Leah doing some of the reviews with me. I think we'll probably try and do that sort of once a month or something, just to involve her in the channel, because she sees mummy making videos all the time and she loves Lego too, so it's important for her to be involved, I think. If you want to check out other Friends videos, I'll put a Friends playlist together that I'm linking now. And also if you want Fairground videos, then we've got our Fairground playlist as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an update. See you later.